Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in last video we have seen the introduction of the engineering graphics. So today we'll see the what are the instrument we need or we required for the drawing. So we'll see the first thing is we need a plain A4 sheet. So I have taken the plain A4 sheet here. We need to take the plain A4 sheet. I have taken the plain A4 sheet. You can see here I have taken the A4 sheet here. So for that what we have to do is, and now what we have to do is we need to draw the border line. So I have drawn here border line. You could see here I drew the border line leaving a 10 mm gap on each side. You could see here, and this side also 10 mm. I drew the border line with a 10 mm margin on each side, and here at center you can start drawing here. At this bottom side, at this bottom you can write your name and your roll number. So whatever they asked in exam you can write it here, and here you start the drawing. So first thing we all need is the plain A4 sheet, and the second thing what we have to need is, so whatever the picture you are seeing on the screen, it's called the plastic clips. We'll get 4 sets of clips to attach each paper, to attach each side of paper to the table. To attach this plain paper to the bench or your table, we need the 4 clips like that. So here for me I am not requiring that clips, so I am not using it. If you want you can buy that, and you can attach it to the your paper to the your bench or your table. So you can take that clips to attach this paper to the table. And the second most important thing is, so I have taken the here pen pencil, so to draw the diagram. So see here I have taken the, to draw the thin line. From this you can draw the thin line like this, you can draw. And have taken also one, if you want you can have taken the 2 pencil here, so you can use 2 pencil. For lighter line I am using this pen pencil, and for thicker one I am using the pencil. I'm using this pencil for the thicker line to draw it. I'm using this pencil. For the darker you could see here, for the boundary lines, for the outer lines you can, by using this you can draw. So and for thin line by using this pencil you can draw it. So in alternative way you can use whatever you are comfortable, you can use that. So and the next what I am using is this. You can see the scale of it is having the 15 centimeter. So here from 0 to 1 is the, so here from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. So in here you can see the small lines. From here to here is 10 lines, that is nothing but 1 centimeter is nothing but 10 mm. 1 centimeter nothing but 10 mm. Wait, I will show you the smaller lines. Whichever you are seeing on this is nothing but our, like this you can see from here to here is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter nothing but mm. Here 10 lines is nothing but 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So you can see here from here to here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. 10 mm is nothing but our 1 centimeter. And here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. See here 10 lines are there. From here to here it becomes, from here to here it becomes 10 division is equal to 1 centimeter. You could see here 10 lines are there from here to here. So this is the 15 centimeter scale we need to use while drawing the lines. And the one more is there. See here you can see this one, the 30 centimeter scale. Here 1 centimeter to 30 centimeter you can draw it. You will use it while drawing the diagram. When it needed the lines, for bigger line we need to use this big scale. You can easily draw it like this. From 1 to 30 centimeter you can draw it by using this scale. And so the main thing in our drawing, so what is important is, first one is pencil, it is very important, and the second thing is eraser. It is also very important. If we made any mistake, to erase it we need the eraser. And one more thing, the very important is, that is nothing but our sharpener. These three are very important. We need to use while drawing the diagram. Without these three we can't draw the diagram. So with the help of pencil and eraser, we also need the sharpener. These three are very important to make any drawing. So these three are necessary, so keep it always while drawing of any diagram. So one more very important instrument is there. The image which you are seeing on the screen, that is called as the roller scale. In that you can able to roll it. So what is the main use of roller scale is nothing but I will explain here only. So whenever you want to draw the, for example, if you want to draw the 5 centimeter line like this, so when you need the same line 5 centimeter further ahead from the 2 centimeter from this line, then you need to roll it like 2 centimeter forward and then draw the same line of 5 centimeter. So the difference between the gap between these two line will be 2 centimeter. So the roller scale is will use the roller scale for the drawing of the parallel lines. And you can, so in roller scale there will be two. One is 15 centimeter roller scale will be there, another one will be big one that has a 30 centimeter scale. 30 centimeter, see the whatever you are comfortable with, you can use that. See here, it is called the French curve. So it is used while joining the curves of the diagram part while solving the orthographic projection or isometric projection to make the curve of any machine. To join the curve we need to use our French curve. So while analyzing I will show you how to use this French curve. So this is also same thing, so you can use whatever you want. So I will show you how to use this one while analyzing the problem. And our next will be instrument will be, so this is called our protector. Here you could see the from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and from here also 0, 10, 20, 30, from 0 to 180. Here also 0 to 180. You can measure from left side or right side. So when you want to draw the angle of 30 degree, for example, I will show you how to use this simply. So if you want to draw the 30 centimeter angle, so then you need to, for example, I will show you. I am taking the 4 centimeter line here. So if you want to draw the angle of 30 centimeter, then we need to, this center line we should keep at point. So at point A, so it should be intersect. It should be straight. It should be straight and it should be intersect to the at point A. And then you need to see here from, we need to go from this side to this side. 0, 10, 20, 30. If you want the angle of 30 degree, then you can mark it 10. So if you want 40, you can mark it here 40. So whatever the angle you want, you can, according to that you can mark it. So now I am drawing the 30 degree, no, so I'll mark it here 30 degree. Then with the help of scale I will join it from here to this point. I will join it. So exact the here to here distance will be 30 degree. So like this we need to draw the angle. So now, so one more very important thing is this is our, so now you all know this is called the drawing compass, and here you need to insert the pencil. Inside this we need to insert the pencil like this. We need to make sure both tip will be same position. We need to insert it. This is used for the drawing of our curves for technical purpose. For technical drawing we will use it. For making the circle we need to use it. So if you want to draw the circle of 5 centimeter, then you need to, so you put one tip will be at, for example I will small one I will take it. So 3 centimeter circle, if you want radius will be 3 centimeter. So I am taking, adjusting it to 3 centimeter I am taking, and now I will draw. So I will mark here one point. Here this is point A. The radius will be, I will show you first. This is 3 centimeter. So I have taken the radius of 3 centimeter. See here exactly 3 centimeter. Now I will draw the curve. I will draw the circle like this. However you are comfortable you can draw it. So see here the exact from here O to, sorry, A to B will be distance. From here to here is 3 centimeter. So radius of this will be 3 centimeter. This is point B. This is how we need to draw the circle with the help of this drawing compass. And we also, you can see, you can use this one by cutting the arc. So I will show you like this. You can cut the arc and put here, and you can cut it arc like this. Here also. Keep it very carefully and draw it. Keep it on this point and then draw it. In the similar way we need to draw all the arcs. This is how we need to cut the arc. Then you can join this from here to here. You can join this. You can now check the angle between these two. So put this line exact at point A and straight. It should be straight. The 90-degree line, it should be straight to this point. So see here, from here to here exactly 60 degree from point B to here. See, our arc is cutting at an angle of 60 degree, exactly 60 degree. This is how we need to cut the arc and find the angle. So now we'll see some simple construction. So at first what we have to do is we need to take the one plain sheet and we need to draw the border by leaving the space of 10 mm on each corner and every corner. So I have drawn the border. Now we'll see some simple construction, how to draw the rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon. We'll see it. I am taking the new sheet. We'll start from basic. So now we'll see some construction, how to construct this. So our first question will be draw an angle of 35 degree. So now we'll see how to draw the angle of 35 degree. So So I'm using this small scale. So I will draw a line here. You can take length there. I'm taking the length of how much? 4 centimeter. I'm taking the length of 4 centimeter. Give it to the name. This is point A. This is point B. And angle of 35 degree means we need to use the protractor here. Always we need to put this intersection point on this point. It should be straight, 90 degree, it should be straight. So carefully we need to intersect it. Now we can mark the 35 degree. So we need to always go from this side to this side. So we should not go from counting this side to this side. We always remember while using the protractor, marking the angle, we need to go from this side to this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 35 means it will come here. 35 degree means it will come here. In between the 40 and 30. So it will come here. So mark it. And now join this. Join this. The angle between these two will be 35. Here also make it arrow, here also arrow. And here one more thing is the thickness, and I will show you here. The arrow should be, wait, I will draw it and tell you here. Our arrow should have height from here to here. Here is 1, and from here to here width will be, so height will be 1 mm and this width will be 3 mm. This is the arrow size of this one. So this is how we need to draw the angle. So similarly, so now we will see for the how to draw the circle. So you all know already how to draw it. We need to draw the circle. So it has a radius of 3 centimeter. So R will be 3 centimeter. So we need to draw the 3 centimeter line here. So I will draw it here, 3 centimeter. This is the point O. And now we need, by using the drawing compass, we need to take the 3 centimeter. So this is exactly 3 centimeter I have taken. So now put on this point O, and however you are comfortable, you can draw the circle like this. So you can draw it like this. The radius of this will be 3 centimeter, not 3 meter, 3 centimeter from here to here. This is how we need to find the 3 centimeter circle. It has a radius of 3 centimeter. So now we'll see how to draw the regular pentagon of 3 centimeter. Internal angle should be 108 degree. So see here our pentagon is in our, I have already shown you how our pentagon looks like. It will be like this. Penta means what? It will like this. Wait, I will draw it very. Once again I will draw it. It will look like this. So here the angle of pentagon is 108. So angle of this will be 108. It could be this shape. The penta means 5. Penta means 5. It has the which has the 5 sides, that we'll call it as the pentagon. So how to draw it, I will show you. Here we need to draw the pentagon of 3 centimeter. No, so I will draw the first here 3 centimeter line. I will draw it. This is 3 centimeter. I am drawing it. Now what I will do is, by using this, I will take the 3 centimeter. I will draw the arc of 3 centimeter. So this is point A, this is point B. So now what we have to do is, we already know the angle of our pentagon will be 108. No, so for that, by using the protector, so keep it at the end point and it should be straight. So we need to take the angle of 108 because we have known the angle now. So from here to here we should take it. 108 means 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 108 means it will come here. So it will come here. No, it will come here. Now I will join simply here like this. Later I will tell you. And here also. So I will cut it. 3 centimeter means from this point to this, it will come here. Here means I will erase this one. So I have marked it. 3 centimeter will come here. Similar way, I will take the angle of 108 from this side. The 108 will come here. So mark it here, and now you can draw the 3 centimeter from here to here. I will directly draw it. So 3 centimeter means I am putting from 6 to means 1, 2, 3. 3 centimeter will come here. Now what I will do is, by using the drawing compass, this is already 3 centimeter. I have set it. What you can see here, this is exactly 3 centimeter. No, okay, this is 3 centimeter. You can put this here and cut the arc here, and you can keep on this end point, make the arc here. So now what we have to do is, we need to join from this intersection to this point. We need to join it very carefully. Here also we need to draw it very carefully. So you can measure now. It should be exactly 3 centimeter from here to here, and here this side will be exactly 3 centimeter from here to here. So this is how we need to draw the pentagon. So angle 108 here. Here also 108 degree. Sides will be 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. You can give it to the name A, B, C, D, E. You can give the name. This is how we need to construct the regular pentagon. So regular pentagon means here the all side angle will be 108 only. So this is how we need to draw the pentagon. Similarly, we'll see the how to draw this hexagon. Hexagon of 4 centimeter. So hexagon means hexa means 6. I have told you no. Hexa means 6 sides, which has the 6 side. It called hexagon. So it has the angle of 120. So now I am drawing taking the 4 centimeter line here. Here to here is 4 centimeter. This is point A, this is point B, 4 centimeter. So now what I will do is, by using the protector, I will mark the 120 degree. So I am keeping at the end point A. So it should be straight, and 120 means we need to count from this side to this side. 120 will be here, no? This is 90, 100, 110, 120. It will be here. It will come here. So now by using the scale, we need to draw the 4 centimeter. So I am putting at the edge, and I will extend the line to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will come. Similarly, for this side also, 120 degree means we should put on the end point. 120 means it will come here. Similarly, we need to extend this line to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter means I will keep on this 7. It should be straight. So 120 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter means it will be come here, from here to here. So now what I will do is, again I will put this one here. I will show you on this point. It should be straight. I kept this protector on the end point here. 120 means we need to count from this side to this side. 120 means it will come here. So it will come here. So 4 centimeter means from here the 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 centimeter will come. Similarly, in the similar way, I will keep the protector at end point here, and 120 will come here. I will mark it here, and 4 centimeter means from here to 4 centimeter joint. Four centimeter means here to here it will come here. Now you can join these two lines. You can join it very carefully. So this is how we need to draw the hexagon. This is how we need to draw the hexagon. You can give it to the name. Yes, all sides will be 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. The angle should be 120. 120 each angle. So this is how we need to construct the hexagon. Similarly, for square, we'll see how to draw the square. square of 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter means we need to take the line of 5 centimeter here like this. And now what we have to do is, with the help of this protector, we need to mark the 90 degree. So this is point A, this is point B. We should keep at the end point. It should be straight. So 90 degrees here we should mark it, and here also we should keep at the end point. We should mark it the 90 degree. It will come here. Now 5 centimeter we need to extend this line from here to 5 centimeter means 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter it will come here. Similarly 5 centimeter means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will come here. Now you can join these two. Now you can join A, B, C, D. So each side of 5 centimeter. So now each side of 5 centimeter. So what I did is, I have taken the 5 centimeter line here, then I kept this protector at this end point, then I have marked the 90 degree exactly, and then I have extended line to 5 centimeter. Here also same thing I did. I have marked the 90 degree here and extended line to the 5 centimeter. Then I have joined these two points. Each side of square will be 5 centimeter. So this is how we need to find the square. So now we will see how to draw an angle of 40 degree and draw its angle bisector. So how to draw the angle bisector I will show you. So for that we should take the line. So I am taking the line of 5 centimeter. So what I have told, the arrow length will be 3 mm and height will be 1 mm. And 40 degree by using the protector. So by using the protector I will mark the 40 degree. 40 degree will come here. So I will join this line. We need to join it. It will come here. Now what we have to do is, we need to draw its angle bisector means, so this angle will be 40 degree, Now what we have to do is, with the help of drawing compass, to cut the arc here. We need to reduce this length and we need to cut the arc like this. We need to cut the small arc like this. Again what we have to do is, we need to put on this arc, then cut the one more arc here, keep it here and draw one arc here, and again keep it here, draw one more arc. Now we will get the one intersection point. Now we need to join this by using the scale. I will join it. So here you can see the intersection point. We have to join it, and this angle is called as the angle of bisector. So if you want the angle of bisector for this, then also you can draw like this. Again reduce the length of this one, then put it here and cut the arc like this. Cut the arc. Wait, we need to keep it very carefully. It will disturb you. Like this. Then you need to put here, then cut the arc here. Again you need to put on this arc, then cut this arc here. Now also you got one intersection point here, so then you can easily join this. This is the bisector of this one. This is how we need to draw the angle of bisector. How many you want, you can draw. For this also you can similar way you can draw it. So this is how we need to draw the hexagon, pentagon, square and circle and angle. So these are some basic things you should know, because in our problem we need to, it is very useful in our upcoming sections. That's why I have explained all the basic things here. I hope you all are understood all the concepts of the engineering graphics. In next section we will see some unit conversion, how to convert the mm to centimeter and centimeter to mm. We will see that in next section. Here we will close this section. I hope you all are understood. So if you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you for watching.